Hello everyone, it's me, Sniffle. I only have one thing on my mind right now, and that's to vent my feelings. And what better way to do that than to open up on the internet? I figured it's the safest place since I'll basically be screaming into a crowd, so I figured, what's the worst that can happen? It's not like you can get violated or anything. Kidding. To introduce myself, to everyone who doesn't know me, I'm just a normal guy. I laugh at the same stuff you guys do, like those funny title cards, like or even when Big Boss appears and plays Invisible.
When you can't even say my name.
I've been going through a tough time lately where everything I make or do feels ugly. When I work hard and see the results, it looks gross for any achievement I've made throughout my life. I'm at a point where I imagine how lucky I would be to be, well, dead. Fuck. I'm at a point where I imagine how lucky I would be to be, well, dead or something parallel to it, like an omniscient spectator who witnesses everything for eternity. But I don't want to die. I mean, a small gnawing part of me does, but then I remember that life can be pretty cool, and that's not definite if there's an afterlife or not, so I'm just sad. Sad I won't be a witness to every story for time memorial. Sometimes I feel as though that's what I was supposed to be. But then I wake up and I'm not. But I suppose I'll make do. I don't really have much else to say besides that. I may be able to help you given a chance, and maybe you may be able to help me. We may find out, or we may not. I'm not sure. But we'll try.